In this video we're going to look at significant numbers. Now significant means important. So if we look at this, you have won $279,853 in a lottery. What is the most important or significant number? So when I look at that, 9, most people would think that 9 is the biggest, but the biggest number there is 2. Because 2 doesn't mean 2 in this case, it means 200,000. The 7 means 70,000 and so on. So the biggest number is actually 2. And that's the most important number to you because that represents 200,000. The 9 only represents 9,000. So we're going to have a look at a question here. You've won that amount in a lottery. The agreement is that you will take the prize to 3 significant figures, so the 3 most important numbers. So the 3 important numbers are 2, 7, 9. So it would look like I'm going to take 279. But just like with rounding decimals, the next number tells me to round this up. So I'm going to take the 8, and the 9 rounds up to 10, so it has a knock-on effect. So I'm actually winning 280. So that's 3 significant figures. Now I'm not winning £280, I'm winning 280, and these all become zeros. And because that 8 is telling me to knock on this 9 to a 10, that's how much you will actually make. Okay, notice that the 3 that we didn't want all became zeros, and this is a special case because of the 8 knocking on the 9. So we've got some questions here, which you can pause and have a go at yourself, or I will talk you through them now. So the first one, 2 significant figures, so I want the 3 and the 2, but the 8 tells me to round up, so it becomes 3, 3, and these 2 numbers become 0. 2 significant figures, I want 1, 5, so 1 here, so that says don't round up, so it's 1, 5, and then this 1, this 8, and this 0 all become zeros. 3 significant figures, 8, 2, 9. The 6 tells me to round the 9 up to a 10, so it becomes 8, 3, 0, and then 0, 0, 0. 1 significant figure, the 5 rounds this 1 off to a 2, so 2, and the 5 becomes a 0. And 4 significant figures, 2, 8, 9. Here's the 4th number, 3, and there's a 0 next to it, so I don't round up. But then after that becomes 0, 0, 0, so 0, 0, 0. Just put a couple of commas in there. Okay, so that's rounding off to significant figures. You might want to have a look at the next video in the series, which is using significant figures and decimal places.